Let's talk about Walmart because they're basically the low price leader. And although that's cool because you can go to Walmart and you can buy things for pretty inexpensive, that's not always going to be the best thing long term, especially when you're trying to run a business. So I'll give you an example. I like vanilla extract, but I really prefer to use vanilla beans. And so we found a vanilla bean at Walmart and it was $11.98. That's $11.98 for one bean. But then I went to Costco and I saw a package of 5 vanilla beans for $9.99. So that comes out to $1.99 per vanilla bean versus $11.98 per vanilla bean. So you get where I'm going with this. You might save some money in certain stores, but it doesn't necessarily mean that that is long-term or sustainable for the business that you're trying to create, because ultimately there's ingredients that you're going to be using over and over again, and those key ingredients you want to get for as cheap as possible.